American Bitcoin, how to buy American Bitcoin. Now I just upload a video step by step how you can transfer real dollar amount cash onto your debit card into your wallet to buy these coins. For a limited time, I'm giving away the tutorial for free. Alright, so it's best to buy this and learn this now because the price is going to go up. Alright, and after this price goes up, I'm be removing the free access. Alright, I'm gonna make brand new videos when the price change a higher price. I'll be making new videos, more proof that this is real. Plus, I'll be adding a video how to sell the American Bitcoin for real US money. So the time is now. This is a Monday 28. You can see here. Alright, it's been to $52 for 100 million. Over here, you see here again, been to $50 for 100 million, which is $500 for a billion. I'll hide this price. You can see back here, it been to 191 to $244 for a billion. That's $2,444 right here. Is 400 right now. To date is $480 for a billion. But before, when they released, it used to cost over $2,440 for a billion. Okay, so it's gonna go back to that price over 2,000, and then if it delete another zero, that's gonna be 10,000 for a billion. All right, and once it delete more zeros, it's gonna be 100 grand, then $1 million, and then it hits a penny, it'll be a billion. It'll be $10 million for every penny. So say you buy it now, a billion, they're gonna reward you $10 million when they hit a penny, and keep going up a penny. Okay, so after this limit time, once it goes up, I'll be adding a new video how to withdraw. You sell it, it's gonna go up into pennies, and I believe it's even gonna go past $1. All right, these things go up fast, so I also believe it's gonna pass $1. Past $1, we're gonna be over $2 billion, possibly over $3 billion once it passes $1, guys. I'm gonna add a new video how to sell this for real US dollars. And you're gonna see me go to the ATM machine and withdraw real $100 bills. Alright, I know this because I've seen this happen before. It happened to many people before. I witnessed this has happened before, and this is just a new way for USA to capitalize on this. Okay, you can see it's released this month, April the 5th. April the 5th, it was at $2,444 for 1 billion. It went down. I seen it. It was over here, and I started buying it. So since it went down, we bought more. We're waiting for it to go back up, and you can see it's happening in this time frame. It goes up, they withdraw, goes down, you put more money in, and then wait for it goes up again. So to see how step by step how I use my cell phone, just a cell phone, you just need a cell phone. All right, and you need your bank account so you can start buying these coins. On my step-by-step video website, I show you where to get a bank account that allow you to buy these coins instantly. Okay, so go to my website on this video, put your real email, and I'll forward you to this my step-by-step training. I also advise you to subscribe to my social media accounts. Just hit the subscribe button, it's free. All right, right now the information is free because it's at the very beginning. All right, we have to build up the market cap so everyone can win. So later I'm gonna show you how to buy this on my website. And you wanna go here and read this information about the Trump project. If you wanna do your research, just scroll down to the resource, an official website. And you get instant access to this website. All right, once you have your wallet, all right, and you can purchase this American Bitcoin. Okay. You can see here the hair of co-founder Eric Trump. All right. It's the Trump family project for USA to take over #1 in the crypto Bitcoin world. Supplies 354 billion. All right, there's a supplies of 354 billion. We already over 2 billion. Okay. Here's the Twitter accounts. So read about this. You can go over this information.